So we're out behind the baseball field, obviously. We're shooting. That's perfect. I mean, this is like over 100 yards right there. That's like
right here.
that's like $130 probably.
I'd pop a couple more.
We're on special assignment today, this afternoon. We had to get our other project ready for beams and rafters, and now we are on location at the shooting range. We are in the process. We just got it set up here. We just got some chicken scratch lines on the ground here, but we have our proper location set up for where the targets are. We still got some trees that are questionable, but we're making a decision on where to put this thing so we can get the best line at the targets way down in the center there. But yeah, we're good to go. 10 by 10 platform. We're gonna have a 3-foot by 10-foot table in there, 42 inches up. It's gonna be set up good. We're Yukon's in the way a little bit. You'll get the hint. We'll keep you posted on what's gonna happen here. And we just picked up a pile of material that the lumberyard made up that we didn't do the list. So we'll see what we can do with it. Okay, we got the holes dug yesterday. We're actually legit 42 inches down. Good to go. I had to get some cookies this morning because Big Rod didn't have them on his list. So here we go. Keep you posted as we go. Here we go. If I don't tell Dewey, keep shoveling, he stops talking about deer hunting. Okay, we're almost there. We got four total. We had to make sure we were in the right spot. We didn't want to have this thing set up, so we took a little extra time because we're making our own decision here on proper shooting direction. So right here, range is way out there, that farthest sand that you can see. My Yukon's in the way, but yeah, I think we're perfect right there. So we got one post, one to go. Tamping the last one, or the third one in, I mean, the last one we did here. Man, some tough digging, some simple digging. You got beach sand and you got dewy sand over here. So yeah, rock and roll. Stay tuned. Trees don't grow perfect. Do you see a straight tree out here? No, I didn't think so. Trees don't grow straight. 4x6s don't get cut straight. Nothing straight. I think we're doing absolutely perfect for what we got here. Some junk treated material that we didn't even get to sort out. So remember that, Dewey. We didn't even get to sort it out. Yep. So there you go. Take a big one right there and pack the dirt. Here you go. Hit and record right to the rattle gun going off. So we've got a 10 by 10 platform, 7 feet of headroom in the back once we get our stairs coming up back here. So you got lots of clearance, no problems, carrying stuff in, guns, cases. 3-foot table gonna go in here, 42 inches high, and you see past the Yukon. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So yeah, this will be we'll get back here and get a little better look at it. Just a quick roof. Get some purlins up there. Put some 12-foot sheets of steel And we're gonna be good to go. Build the deal. See if he wants us to build a seat in there too. And yeah, good stuff. Stay tuned. So the snow, rain, it's been snowing and raining, but like it just started coming down harder. So now we're trying not to cover up the phone, but we got the blocks in. Oh, I got hit in the face by ice. That's ice coming out of the sky. Just hit me in the face as I was looking up. Walleye, I can't even talk. While I was looking up. So we got 5/4 right up on top, 42 inches high. Give or take the thickness of some 5/4. Got our blocking up. So we're gonna put the purlins on top. They're cut sitting right here. They're gonna go up. Then after they're up, we can cut the post off. And steel should be here tomorrow, or should be into the store. We'll be able to have steel on this guy. We can get the stairs down out the back, what we're gonna do here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Hey, slide that box to your left, Dewey, the screw box. Okay, so I tried to keep you with us the trip, but we just work. So when we work, we work. So here we go. We picked up a pile of lumber. He said we want a shooting stand. So this is what we did. The guy didn't even remember what the material list he made was, because it was in August and we are in November. And we just had to pick up a couple extra things, but that's what we did. We did a 10x10 platform, 2 foot on center joist, 5/4 deck boards. This shooting table is 42 inches high and 3 feet out. Good for full gun cases, rifles, perfect. Sturdy, solid, good to go. I don't think you're gonna get much better. All we have to do is cut the post off and get the steel on the roof now, and a couple deck boards here and there, finish, and then build some steps off the back. And that's part one of the project. I'm sure this will turn into a multi-part deal here. So stay posted, and we will take you along on the ride around the ranch. Stay tuned, folks. Look, there's Dewey up there hanging out. We just had an ice storm come through. Look at that big black cloud, and we got nice blue sky all the way around us. Look at, whee! So anyway, we got the trim on. We got one piece left. I just had to stop because I realized that, you know, we're idiots and we don't stop to take any video. So there we go. Trim, everything ready to go. We've got one deck board here for the shooting table, and we got a deck board here. So we're gonna rip one, finish one with one. Stairs in the back. Dewey's up there just pissed. He wants to work. Look at him. Look at him. He's so mad. He's like, 75 inches. That's what I want the piece. All right. All right. 52 seconds. There. Done. Cut. Just looking back at it. So gotta do is build the steps. And that's it, as of right now. There it is. Looks good. Okay, so November 11th, final day of being out here at the shack, I believe, for now. And I just did a couple quick 2x6 boxes and did the 5/4 to match, so we got big wide steps to be able to carry your gear. Like, oh yeah, that's way better. Big wide table, 36 inches wide, 42 inches high. Lay down shot, perfect. I mean, it's out there, you can see it. So yeah, we've got just some pole barn metal. We picked up all this material. Oh, there's a screw I missed. There's a couple screws I missed here. I'll put a couple screws in before I go here. But yeah, you know, final hurrah. And yeah, we're good to go. This step's beautiful. Just a couple GRKs, a couple screws left. That's it, buddy. It's perfect. I just run right into my truck. There we go, sun shining. Peace out.